In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Wi-Fi icon being grayed out on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Wi-Fi icon is grayed out, I know it might sound really silly, but simply just try and literally click it again and see if that works. Also, you want to make sure that you're not on airplane mode. For example, if you're on airplane mode, your Wi-Fi is just simply not going to work and you won't be able to properly use your Wi-Fi if airplane mode is turned on. So go ahead and try and turn that off. Next thing you want to do is go over to your settings and then scroll down and you're going to see general. Go over to software update, which is the second option, and make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. And if you're not, go ahead and download it and then install it. Restart your phone by pressing the volume button and your power button together. So the volume up and power button, slide to power off, and then press the power button again to then go ahead and, launch your phone again. If all of that still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Then at the bottom, you're going to see reset. So click on reset and then you're going to see reset network settings. Go ahead and click on that and then everything should be good. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.